one second. Yes. Just a short description about myself. I'm a psychologist, I'm a guidance counselor, and a psychotherapist. I'm an internationally certified mindfulness meditation practitioner, all because of Prableen ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Today we have Prableen Gupta ma'am. She's an international master trainer, NLP master trainer, and what lot, ma'am? What shall I say about you? She has worked with lot of institutions, lot of companies like Dell and Tata, Apollo Home, and Apple. She has been training uh, many of the people, and she not only has worked with corporate, she has worked with student colleges and has been training since 15 years, more than 15 years. So today she is here with us to tell us about what she know about success. So please everyone put yourself on mute. Yes. So can we start, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely, Archika. And thank you so much for such a warm welcome. I'm really honored and glad to see you, glad to see the kind of work that you are doing, and really proud that how exactly your little efforts with powerful impact that you are creating all around, whatever thoughtfulness that you have for all the people related to their mind and psychology, actually it's working wonderfully. Thank you for that.
Pleasure, ma'am. So, ma'am is going to tell us about how can we prepare ourselves for success. How can we create our goals? So, ma'am is all here. She has been telling a lot of people, like she has been training a lot of people. So today she is live with us to tell all the students, all the people who are actually struggling for their goals and are not able to set their goals and are like they are struggling for their success, like they are not able to overcome their failures and are not able to reach the level of success they want to reach. So yes, ma'am, so what is success according to you?
Thank you, Archika, for asking such a powerful question, because this is the first question everyone should ask themselves, that what is success to them? So, what I believe is that every person has a different definition for success. It's just that many of us have actually uh, are actually trying to replicate other person's definition of success to my own definition of success, and then all the problem arises. So according to me, success is whatever you want to do and you're able to do it. That is what success is. So we, in this materialistic world, everyone has taught us, maybe, or maybe our external circumstances or people who are around us, they have told us that money is the parameter to gauge or to measure the success, designation is the parameter to measure the success. No doubt they are. However, every person is different, we all are unique, and because of our uniqueness, we all want to accomplish and achieve different things, and that is what makes us beautiful. So first of all is, what is my definition of success? So if I know that, only then I can take some actions. Similarly, I would like to tell everyone who is here today on this platform, because of you, Archika, that please find out your definition of success, because till the time you do not know that what is defining success for you will be taking the wrong steps. You
Hmm.
may not be aware, you may be following someone. However, why to be a follower when you can be a leader in your own passion? So find your definition first.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, so where shall we begin from? Like to get successful, where shall we begin from? What do you think we should start for getting success?
Again, a very thought provoking question, Archika. And if I look back at my journey, I see that I was a very not very mediocre, even I would say that lower than mediocrity. I was the kind of student academically who was not scoring well. The marks and the concepts were, I was not on top of all the concepts that I was learning in my school time. And as and when I grew, then I got selected in job and I started working with various organizations. I learned certain manners, etiquette that formed certain habits. Now when I roll back my life and I look
Mhm.
at those years when I was in school or college, when I was not doing well academically, I realized that I lacked habits, constructive habits
Mhm.
that could have made difference. I will not say that today I'm doing well. So, what's the need for college and school? It's not like that. They actually make our foundation and base. It is very important that we are able to understand the concepts that are being taught us in school or colleges. Having said this, if someone is unable to gauge or follow those concepts or understand those concepts, it's very important for them to understand that what are the habits they are forming. Are they paying attention? Are they actually working on their, this internal thoughts? Because many a times in my journey, when I was in school or college, I was totally lost in my own thoughts, which actually hampered my understanding towards certain things.
Mhm.
Though yes, it's by God's grace that I'm able to cope up now after 25 or 30 years. But then, I still believe that the habits, the kind of and when I say habits, it means uh, how much are we scrolling the Facebook? It's a bad habit, it has to be eliminated.
Mhm.
And how much are we using our mobile to read some articles related to my interest? And when I say my interest, I mean to say the interest which will make me or help me to earn out of it.
Mhm.
So not only the Bollywood articles that, this happened to Sushant, or this person got jailed, related to the habits that are actually going to help us in our future.
Mhm.
Uh, am I am I in a habit of sleeping late and then boasting around that I'm not an early riser?
Mhm.
So at times our mind plays a trick when we just boast that I'm not an early riser. I'm not a morning person. Pay
Exactly.
attention to this statement.
Mhm.
Everyone is a morning person. It's just that we don't have proper schedule and discipline to make us sleep at night.
Mhm.
That is a habit that we need to form where we can at least wake up properly, nicely.
Mhm.
Are we studying or reading books which are there, available there, to teach us the manners, etiquette, how to speak, how to stand, how to think? Everything is there in the books, and so many people keep on saying it as well. But then if we are not doing that, then we are missing out on such a big thing in our life. So forming habits is the first step towards starting to getting successful. I hope this answers your question, Archika.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, so what habits do you recommend for the students apart from not scrolling much like Facebook much, reading some articles, some books? Apart from that, like during this COVID situation, people like students, even the corporate people are facing a lot of things they are not able to and especially the women who are working from home they have to manage both the things. They have to like manage home, they have to manage their kids, they have to manage their work as well with the s- proper sincerity. So in that case, what do you recommend for those people? How, what things should they eliminate and what should they adopt in that case, because they need rest as
Hmm,
well.
true. Um, you know what, Archika, and I know you know because we together learned it,
Mm,
that a well rested mind allows the body to work as much as it can.
exactly.
So, the very first thing is in today's time, it is very important for our students, for our corporate employees, for women, working women, or as a matter of fact, if they are not working women, even if they are a homemaker, it's a lot of work. I
Mhm.
am able to understand it because of the pandemic when the maids were not there.
Yes, yes,
So
exactly.
I was able to get to know that what kind of work women generally keep on doing, and they don't even consider it as a work. So the
Exactly.
first thing that we need to have in our minds is the well rested mind. And a well rested mind will keep the body energetic throughout the day. I'm telling this to everyone, every lady out there, please listen to me out loud, okay? That if our mind is well rested, our body is capable of working 18, 20, 24 hours as well with full energy. And now when I say this, Archika, I don't mean that you keep on working for 24 hours or 18 hours. I just mean that just pay that attention to your thought process, to your thinking pattern, to the way we are perceiving things as well, and make yourself a priority. When I say make yourself a priority, it again doesn't mean that go to saloon and get some spa. That's not the priority we are talking about here. I mean to say that think about your own self first in the terms of thinking, in the terms of behaving. So whenever we are distressed, think
Hmm.
about yourself. Do you want to be like that in this state? I'm
Yeah.
sure the answer will be no. Then do something to get you out of that state of distressing thoughts. The habits that one can form is, I will again say that wake up on time, which I mean that I'm not saying that wake up at 5 a.m. because if you are waking up at 10 a.m. and then I'd say that wake up at 5 a.m., it's a huge gap. So we'll go there as well if someone wants to slowly and steadily. All I want to say is that if you're waking up at 10 a.m., try to wake up at 9 a.m. in the first week,
Hmm.
then 8 a.m.
Hmm.
Because that is actually going to give you some extra hours in your day. Your
Yes.
mind will be relaxed, and
Hmm.
relaxed mind is going to get things done.
Yes, exactly.
Another thing that I would like to say is that please read books. There are so many books available, self-help books. I would say you can read Power of Subconscious Mind. You can read Leading Without Title by Robin Sharma. You can read Am I Being Kind by Michael J. Chase. There was one book I read, Diamond Power.
Yes.
It was an amazing book, like it tells us that what potential we have. We are actually diamonds. We are already the diamonds. It's just that we have not we
Yes.
have not brushed ourselves so that the extra dhool mitti can be removed.
Yeah.
So this is what we need to know. You are already there. Just be aware of that. So these few things to start with, we must pay attention to.
Exactly, exactly, ma'am. You are perfect in saying that. But I have also experienced this. Like people, they are not taking out time for themselves. Not only the women, not only the working professionals, the even students, even other people. Matlab, they are not taking time for themselves. They are just wasting their time by scrolling on Facebook, Instagram, and they are not able to engage themselves in those productive works which you have told them, right? And
Hmm.
apart from, like, I'll just share an incident, a small incident. We do meditation in the morning, ma'am. You won't believe, it's a 15 to 20 minutes meditation. And yes, there are some people who start leaving. Oh, it's 8 o'clock now, we have to leave, we have to do this work. They have all that tension. Even 15 to 20 minutes, they are not able to take out those minutes for themselves, for their peace of mind. This is the situation, because we have occupied ourselves in so many works. They are not able to actually take out time for themselves. This is the main thing, that we are getting less productive. Am I right in saying that?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes. So this is what happening nowadays. So what would you call the ingredients of success now?
uh, Becoming an observer, you know, and
Mm.
I'm very, very firm on this, that the moment we become an observer, for example, the incident that you have shared, Archika, uh, people are meditating and then all of a sudden they say that, oh, it's already 8, we have to leave. With all due respect to whatever task they have, I'm sure they are leaving not to have fun. They are leaving because they actually have to do certain tasks. We do understand that. The only thing is that are they aware of that rush? Are they aware of that haphazardness, that juggling and running here and there? So the moment they become observer, that
Hmm.
what am I running for? Okay, I had some task at 8 a.m. and I knew that I have to sit on the in the meditation class for 15 minutes. Did I do something so that I don't have to rush from my meditation to my task?
Yes, yes.
So the very first ingredient in this coming out is the responsibility towards our own self. And that is self-care. Self-care is not, doing the makeup and having a great perfume, wearing a great perfume, and then going out with friends. These come secondary. These are secondary, actually. The very first thing is that I have to be responsible towards my own growth and myself. So
Exactly.
first I need to observe that what is it that I am doing which is not helping me to become the kind of person I want to become.
Hmm.
The moment I get aware, I'm going to fix it. They are going to fix it if they become aware, because no one wants to remain in that feverish state even after knowing that they are suffering from fever.
Yes, yes.
They just get up and take a paracetamol. Why they take it? Because they know they are suffering from fever. So
Yes.
right now also they have to observe themselves, and they need to think that is it bringing me to the kind of a person who I want to become, or who I am. If the answer is yes, then please keep on doing it with all the respect and love. If the answer is no, they themselves will get up and change the things for them.
Yes, exactly. And they can do this when they put their phone off, like
Yes.
on off mode, because our mind is like working. Our mind is engaged whenever we are doing or scrolling on Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere on the phone. Then our mind is busy in that process. So how will the mind will become observant about what we are doing? So it's very important to take time, that time whenever when we are not doing anything.
Hmm.
Yes, am I right, ma'am? Then,
Absolutely.
yes, then only we'll be observant, and then only we'll become aware.
True,
So
absolutely.
yes, it's a big request from all of you that please take out at least, ma'am, what would you suggest? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes in a day, that where we can think about those things.
Yes, to begin with, I would say what worked for me, because I was one of those, I also used to do the same thing. What worked for me was that whenever I used to, right now also it's the routine that whenever I go to bed in the night,
Mhm.
my phone is away. Like it's not in another room because alarm rings on the same mobile. So it's maybe if my bed is here, so my phone is at the um, at an end where I cannot, where my arm cannot reach. So it's not at arm's length.
Hmm.
So it's like that. Keep your phone there. First few days it is an addiction. So first few days you will feel like, let me get up and check my phone. Koi notification to nahi aa gaya, koi message to nahi aa gaya. But then all of a sudden, after 2 or 3 days, you'll start getting at peace with yourself. And then you'll find that you'll automatically start getting into in that meditative state
Yes, exactly.
before sleeping.
Yes, exactly. This is our one of our participant, Apeksha, has just read around that we are worried every time of FOMO, that is fear of missing out any notification or any messages or mails. Yes, exactly, Apeksha. This is what has happened with us, me also, ma'am. I would just share. Now, this is the time. If I am getting a call, I would say I'm doing this work, I'll not receive. I'll not receive this call. I'll call back to that person, or I'll revert back to that person, whatever like message I have got, whatever notification. If I'm doing this task, so I'll do this. If I'm
Wonderful.
ready, I am not at all going to revert on any message. I'm not like going to receive any call at that time. Now I have like become that much like aware, we can say, and observant, and I'm taking out time for myself. And this has been proved very effective, really very effective,
True.
because कहीं ना कहीं like कुछ ना कुछ काम तो होता ही है, कभी ऐसा नहीं होगा
Hmm.
कि कोई काम खत्म हो जाए, like हमेशा रहेंगे काम तो, but we have to take
Absolutely.
out time for ourselves, then only the mind will like go in some rest, and then we'll be able to think about other productive things. So this is a
Absolutely.
major, yes, ma'am. This is the major ingredient for success.
True, and Archika, you have shared a very beautiful technique also, and I know you know because we again worked on it together, that it's an NLP technique that you are talking about,
Yes.
where you get some urgency in your mind. What if there is some notification, and then you tell your mind that yes,
It's
there
okay.
can be.
Yes.
I'll check it.
Yeah.
Allow me 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Let me finish this work and I'll check that notification.
Exactly.
So then your mind says, ah, कहना मान लिया इसने मेरा.
Yes.
ठीक है. So for that much time, your mind is not
Yes.
bothering you then.
Yes. And that is the power of our subconscious mind.
Absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely. So
Yes.
please try that. Who mentioned that?
Right.
Apeksha. So yes, Apeksha, please try what Archika has just mentioned. I'm sure it's going to work. And once it works for you and you experience it, please share it with others as
Yes.
well. They
Exactly.
need it.
Yes. And we with us also, whether
Yeah,
it worked or not with you. Fine.
absolutely.
Yes. Thank you for sharing this, Apeksha. Okay. So, ma'am, this is all about success. Then, okay, we have that a lot of fear about failure as well. So, what exactly failure is? Because we are not moving ahead, not because we'll get success, but because we have fear of failure.
Hmm,
हम कहीं
hmm,
फेल
hmm.
तो ना हो जाए, हमें इस बात का कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रहता दैट विल अचीव सक्सेस अगर हमने ये स्टेप लिया, बट इसका ज्यादा डर रहता है कहीं फेल ना हो जाए. सो
Hmm.
व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज फेलियर?
Again, a powerful question, Archika. It's very important for us, each one of us, to understand that what failure actually is. जिससे हम इतना डर रहे हैं, वो है क्या? And you'll find out the moment you will realize कि ये उसी एक horror story की तरह है जिसमें भूत exist ही नहीं करता है.
एग्जैक्टली.
It's that actually. Failure is nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, it's nothing. So what we call failure is, हम generally failure को कैसे resonate करते हैं? For example, I wanted to lose weight, 5 kgs of my weight in 1 month, and I started running and jogging. Up because of my work commitments or whatever commitments, maybe I was procrastinating or maybe I was giving myself lame excuses. मैं महीने में 5 days गई हूँ, 5 days नहीं गई हूँ, and I have done it intermittently. I've done jogging or running intermittently, not regularly. However, I still expect कि जब मेरा 1 महीना खत्म हो तो उसके बाद मेरा 5 किलो कम हो जाए.
यस.
So after this 1 month is over, I stand on my weighing scale and I see, ये तो उतना ही है, या फिर ये तो बहुत ही कम कम हुआ है. ऐसा क्या? I failed in losing weight.
यस, मेरी
अब
मेहनत
इसको
खराब.
एब्सोल्युटली इसको हम फेलियर का नाम दे देते हैं,
यस.
जबकि कमी कहाँ थी? कमी यहाँ थी, आई डिडंट डू इट प्रॉपर्ली. बिकॉज it is a guaranteed thing. If we put in inputs, आउटपुट आएगा ही आएगा. अब
एग्जैक्टली.
ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि मैं खाना खाऊं और मुझ में एनर्जी ना आए. ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता. तो अगर मैंने खाना खाया है, आई विल फील एनर्जेटिक जरूर. सो वी ओनली हैव टू एंश्योर दैट व्हाट इज द इनपुट आई एम गिविंग.
यस.
जितना हमारा इनपुट प्रॉपर रहेगा, द चांसेस ऑफ रीचिंग द गोल becomes, they accelerate. Failure is nothing. We generally relate to failure when we say that जो मैं चाहती थी वो हुआ नहीं, and we name it as failure. Failure means that if you're not trying again to get what you want, that is failure. Otherwise everything is success. So अगर मेरे को weight lose करना है, and 1 महीने में मैंने बहुत excuses दे के बीच बीच में गई, बीच बीच में नहीं गई अपना जिम या जॉगिंग करने, तो I have to realize that, I have to be aware कि मेरे इनपुट में कमी थी, इसलिए जो आउटकम है वो वैसा नहीं आया. And then I should be courageous enough to give it a try again. And it is guaranteed, I'm telling you with my experience to each one of you present here, that ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप किसी चीज के लिए काम करो और वो आपको मिले ना. It's not possible. So what is possible is that you work, you are going to get that for what you are working. So failure is nothing. If you keep on trying, you will get the success. एंड इफ यू स्टॉप ट्राइंग, दैट इज फेलियर, बिकॉज आपने छोड़ दिया, खत्म कर दिया उसको.
Exactly, exactly. Thank you so much, ma'am, for getting us a new definition of failure, because we are actually बहुत ही अच्छे से like you explained कि हम किसको failure ले लेते हैं. We are not doing 100%. We are not putting proper efforts, and then we take them as a failure because we have not got succeeded. We have
True.
not got succeeded. It's not because कि हमारी किस्मत में ही नहीं था. It may
Hmm.
be because we have not put proper efforts.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is the right, absolutely right what you are saying. That I remember when I started my own venture, and the very first workshop that I had to do, I was not getting the number of clients or participants that I wanted. Moreover, the kind of calls I was getting were very casual calls. They were not interested in that particular workshop. They were just doing it for a time pass. कि चलो देखते हैं क्या है ऐसा करके. And then I was extremely distressed, and I thought ki I think I'm going to fail in this. I will not be able to do anything in my own, like as my own venture. But then, thanks to NLP, thanks to mindfulness, thanks to all the things that we have learned, I again got reminded कि अच्छा फेल होंगे, हो जाएंगे ना, so let me face it. मैं
Hmm.
देखना चाहती हूँ कि कैसे होते हैं फेल.
Exactly.
The moment I got this thought, something within me just stood up and said, Ki Prableen, you just keep on making the calls, or you keep on approaching people so that you get the participants for your workshop. नहीं आएंगे ना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, नहीं आएंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा कि तुम वर्कशॉप नहीं कर पाओगी. We'll see. With this thought, when I started proceeding, my first workshop was a
मेरी
house
अलमारी में
tour.
से ले ले मेरी अलमारी खोलने का ना सबसे ऊपर
And that is how the this fear of failure vanished from my head.
Yes, yes.
कि अगर if we are working, no one will stop us, everyone will come with us only.
Yes, exactly. वो मुझे वो याद आया, डर के आगे जीत है.
हाँ. Absolutely
So we
true.
have to face it, then only we'll get to know कि हाँ failure है क्या. एक बार
Mhm.
experience कर लिया, then we'll be experienced actually.
True,
That is not
true.
the failure exactly. We'll be experienced, we'll say. So
Yes,
जैसे कहते हैं ना, you will not discover the, if you are not succeeded, तो आपको बहुत सारे ways मिल जाएंगे where not to go. Failure के कहाँ पर आप अगर जाएंगे तो you'll be failed. So
true.
like
There is one book I read, Rich Dad Poor Dad. बहुत famous book है, आप सबने पढ़ी भी होगी, सुना भी होगा, रॉबर्ट कियोस्की की. उसमें there was a story, a real life story of one person was mentioned कि there were two people, partners थे वो, and they wanted to start their business. तो उस business को start करने के लिए they wanted to take a loan from a bank. तो व्हाट हैपेंस कि वो बैंक जाते हैं, अपना जो भी फॉर्मेलिटीज होती है ना पेपर वगैरह की, वो कंप्लीट करके बैंक में लोन लेने जाते हैं. देयर एप्लीकेशन टू गेट लोन गेट्स रिजेक्टेड. ठीक है, तो उनको बहुत डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होता है, दुखी होते हैं. और व्हेन दे कम बैक, तो फिर उनको पता चलता है रीजन क्या था रिजेक्शन का. तो उस रिजेक्शन का रीजन था कि आपके ये दो डॉक्यूमेंट्स पूरे नहीं हैं. सो दे से ओके, तो वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स पूरे करते हैं जो जो रिजेक्ट हुए थे, उनको प्रॉपर करते हैं, एंड देन दे अप्रोच अनदर बैंक.
okay.
वहां पे भी इट गॉट रिजेक्टेड. अब जब वो रिजेक्ट हुआ, सो अगेन दे गॉट सम रीजन कि क्यों रिजेक्ट हुआ, उन्होंने उस रीजन पे काम किया. तो ऐसा करते करते 5 बैंक्स में वो गए, 5 और 6 बैंक्स. हर बार रिजेक्ट हो जाती थी उनकी एप्लीकेशन फॉर लोन, पर हर बार उनको रीजन मिलता था कि क्यों रिजेक्ट हो रही है. अब वो उस रीजन को ठीक कर देते थे. तो लास्ट में जब वो जिस बैंक में गए, इट गॉट अप्रूव्ड. तो अब अगर हम अपने लॉजिक से सोचें, जो हम सोचते आए हैं, तो 5 बारी तो उनको फेलियर ही मिला है.
Exactly.
पर वो फेलियर थोड़ी था, वो तो लर्निंग था. कोई
Hmm.
चीज की कमी रह गई थी, उनके इनपुट में कुछ कमी थी. जैसे ही इनपुट की वो कमी पूरी हुई, आउटकम आ गया जो उनको चाहिए था.
Hmm.
सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज.
Yes, exactly. Uh, like one more thing I was thinking, how to face that frustration when we like when we are failing through constant efforts. Though
Hmm.
this frustration actually does not help us to go ahead.
Hmm. वो एक एड देखा है हमने सर्फ एक्सेल का, जिसमें वो बोलते हैं दाग अच्छे हैं. हाँ, I would like to say everyone out here who is watching it or who is here with us that frustration अच्छी है. It's our
Hmm.
friend. वो बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर frustration हमको नहीं आएगी तो हमें उसमें करना क्या है, we'll not be doing it then. फिर हम बहुत relaxed हो जाएंगे. अच्छा, नहीं चला, oh that's okay,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
अब वो frustration है, वही तो fuel है.
Hmm.
That is the fuel. So वो frustration को पूरा experience करो.
Hmm.
This is what I also do. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बोल रही हूँ ये, क्योंकि ये होता तो मेरे साथ भी है. So whenever it happens with me, whenever I feel depressed, frustrated, I just feel that emotion completely. जो भी वो लेके आ रहा है. There are times when I cry as well. There are times when I crib as well. There are times when I argue related to my whatever thinking is in my mind with my team or with my colleagues. I have to brainstorm as well. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, अपने ही पॉइंट पे अड़ते भी हैं हम कभी कभी. But then everything has a phase. Frustration भी एक phase है,
Hmm.
लाइफ नहीं है. तो उस फेज के बाद जैसे ही आपने उसको एक्सपीरियंस किया, क्योंकि वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन कुछ सिखाने के लिए आ रहा है, जैसे ही आपने वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन को पूरा एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, it will go away by giving you the solution or the key to your problem,
Exactly.
and you are going to implement it and you are going to achieve it.
Yes.
That's the main thing. So
Yes.
always remember that frustration is required.
Yes.
Whatever it is, feel it. पूरी तरह से उसको feel करो. वो आपको कुछ सिखा रहा है, देखो वो क्या बता रहा है. ऑब्जर्वर बन जाओ,
Yes.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन के साथ एक नहीं हो जाओ. ये
Hmm.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन है तो आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो जाओ और आप देखो कि क्या कह रहा है ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आपको क्यों फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहा है. यू विल गेट योर आंसर्स, एंड whatever answers this frustration gives you, start implementing them, and you are there on your goal.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for
Pleasure.
telling us this. Well, this is what actually we are not able to experience. This is what helps us to go ahead. Frustration हुआ
Absolutely.
वहीं रुक गए, नहीं हो रहा छोड़ दिया. So yes, we have to experience that frustration also. It is also an emotion. Like we experience other emotions, if we experience it and if we become observant, it will help us to go ahead. It will help us as a fuel.
True.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you
My
so much
pleasure.
for telling us a so beautiful definition of failure. So now I would just ask you the last question.
Sure.
Yeah. So I have already troubled you a lot with lots of
No, no,
questions.
not at all. Your questions are enlightening, actually. I am learning so much while answering them.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, we just want to know how to avoid failures now. We have already got to know
Hmm.
about many things, frustration, what is failure, what exactly we understand about failure. So, what is the right way to avoid failures if we want to achieve some goal, some instant goals, we can say, or we don't have much time to experience failures? So, in that case, what shall we do?
So, first of all, as we discussed, that failure is nothing, it's just lack of trying something. So, what I would say that to avoid failure, don't stop. कहीं पे अगर कुछ अचीव नहीं भी हो पाया the way you wanted it, don't stop there. I know that you will get disheartened. I know that you will feel the pain, you'll feel the hurt, everything will be there, but that's okay. That's okay. It happens with everyone. So आप अपने आप को अकेला नहीं समझो उस टाइम पे. Keep on trying, keep on working. The other thing I would like to say is that strengthen yourself with your learnings. सो कीप ऑन. अभी तो पैंडेमिक में बहुत ही बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस जो लोग हेल्दी रहे हैं और आगे भी रहे हेल्दी, आई बिलीव एवरीवन स्टेज हेल्दी, फिट एंड फाइन. Pandemic has given us the chance to stay at home and indulge ourselves in different activities. So we can actually go ahead and do some certifications, learn some programs. When I say programs, अगर आप computer background से हैं तो आप languages सीख सकते हैं, अगर आप जनरली साइकोलॉजी या लाइफ से रिलेटेड अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो जस्ट लर्न समथिंग, एनएलपी, माइंडफुलनेस, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, कोचिंग, कुछ भी बिकॉज these are the skills or the certifications which actually tell you that what kind of persona a person should have.
Hmm.
तो अभी जब हमें फॉर एग्जांपल जब हम सर्टिफाइड जब व्हेन आई वाज नॉट सर्टिफाइड और व्हेन आई डिडंट लर्न, सर्टिफिकेशन तो आउटकम है, वो मिलना ही था, बट व्हेन आई वाज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ ऑल दीज लर्निंग्स ऑफ कोचिंग, एनएलपी, बीइंग अ ट्रेनर, बीइंग अ पब्लिक स्पीकर, माइंडफुलनेस, उस टाइम पे अगर आप मुझे देखते तो आपको लगता है ये तो लहराती ही रहती है सारा टाइम. सो आई हैड नो इंडिविजुअलिटी एंड नो पर्सनालिटी. But then when I got to know about all these things, when I deep dived into it and somehow I got certified also, whatever I learned, I started practicing it also.
Mhm. Yes.
The moment I started practicing it, there is a different, there is a change, there was a change
Hmm.
which people were able to notice. And I was able to notice that I am still the same problem. However, the way I approach people, the way I talk to them, the way I answer anything, it has changed drastically.
Yes.
So these certifications that we are, I'm just telling you, they have helped me a lot in my life,
Hmm.
professionally, personally, both.
Yes.
And this is why I feel that these are going to help every person, even a housewife. Sometimes I know whenever the program is there and I call some people and they say मैं तो सिर्फ housewife हूँ,
Hmm.
मैं कहूंगी हाउसवाइफ को सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है ऐसी टेक्निक्स की, क्योंकि उनको तो रिश्तेदारों से डील करना है.
Exactly.
तो उनको पता होना चाहिए कि कितने अच्छे से कोई बात कहें पर फिर भी अपनी बात रख सकें.
Hmm. बिल्कुल.
सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन कि दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट को रखते हुए अपनी रिस्पेक्ट को भी बरकरार रखना, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Yes, yes, very beautifully said, ma'am. So basically, we can avoid failures by enhancing our skills.
यस.
Yes, we need to enhance our skill because there are some people जो सीधे मैदान में उतर जाते हैं.
या मैदान में उतर जाते हैं या मैदान छोड़कर भाग जाते
हाँ,
हैं.
मैदान छोड़कर भाग जाते हैं because they don't have any other option. But I have seen lot of people, even yes, I have seen many people. There are some students जो generally कहते हैं हम तो ये करेंगे, हम तो ऐसा करेंगे, हम ऐसा करेंगे. Even my like there are some people who are related to me. They say मैं तो ऐसा करूँगा, मैं ऐसा करेंगे हम. अरे, do you have those skills? Do you have those studies? Like, have you like got those skills to start that business or to start that program or to go into that thing? If you don't have, they are of like कि अगर जाएंगे तो सीख ही जाएंगे. Yes, internships, trainings, yes, they are good, but at least we should have those basic skills which will help us
ट्रू.
to avoid those failures. Because if we'll go into that thing without any skills, without any basic skills, I would say, तो वहाँ पे फेल होंगे, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगी, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट
ट्रू.
होगा और वो आगे की बजाय हम वापस बैक आते जाएंगे.
Yes, and there is one more thing, Archika. Abhi, when you were saying all this, na, you reminded me कि अगर हमारे पास proper skills हैं, certifications हैं, उस particular line of thought में या अपने thought process से related, for example, coaching, NLP, public speaking, और आप इसी field में भी जाना चाह रहे हो, training में ही जाना चाह रहे हो और आपके पास अगर ये certifications हैं, it actually tells that you are sincere about it. Your clients will see you with sincerity कि ये सिर्फ बिजनेस करने एकदम से छलांग नहीं मारी है. He
Yes,
had done his homework,
yes,
है ना.
yes.
ये सॉलिड है, इनका बेस सॉलिड है और इस करके ही इज एलिजिबल टू टेल मी अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ये भी बहुत मायने रखता है.
Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. Yes. So, ma'am, what can be the other methods to avoid failures apart from enhancing our skills? What shall we say that how can, yes, we need some habits. We need some habits that we should inculcate in ourselves. Then, apart from that, if there is an, I don't want to leave anything actually. Can
हाँ,
you
ट्रू.
please let us know?
वो हैबिट से ही रिलेटेड है जो मैं बताने, मतलब विच आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर इज फॉलोइंग अ डिसिप्लिन, एक डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ होनी बहुत जरूरी है। मैंने बहुत देर से सीखा एंड आई रिग्रेट कि मैंने इतनी देर से क्यों सीखा, बिकॉज अगर यही चीज मैंने 15-20 साल पहले इतने विश्वास के साथ सीख ली होती तो आई थिंक कि इससे भी और ऊपर कहीं पे हम अपने आप को देख पाते हैं। बट देन चलो, बेटर लेट देन नेवर। हाउएवर यहाँ पे हमारे पास जितने भी लोग हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू से कि प्लीज फॉलो अ रूटीन, अ डिसिप्लिन। मेक श्योर दैट कि आपका रूम साफ हो, आप साफ करें उसे, आप साफ रखें उसको। मेक श्योर दैट योर बेड इज प्रॉपर, आप उसको प्रॉपरली क्लीन रखें। अब ये सुनने में तो लगता है तो घर का काम है, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, ये छोटे छोटे डिसिप्लिन हैं जो हमें एक्चुअली एक पर्सन या कैरेक्टर हमें शेप करता है। दे फॉर्म अ कैरेक्टर फॉर अस, एंड दीज स्मॉल स्मॉल डिसिप्लिन्स हेल्प अस टू अचीव द बिग बिग अचीवमेंट्स।
Exactly.
So be disciplined in your life. Also practice self control. I have seen आज की मैं जनरेशन तो नहीं बोलना चाहूंगी बिकॉज देन वो बहुत बायस्ड हो जाएगा। हर कोई, हम में से हर कोई, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ लोग किसी भी जनरेशन के हों, ओल्ड यंग, सोशल मीडिया पे या वैसे भी आमने सामने कोई भी कुछ भी बोल देता है विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग कि वो जो बोल रहे हैं क्या वो उनको शोभा देता है। आप दूसरे की इंसल्ट तो बाद में करोगे, कुछ भी गलत बोल के आप पहले अपनी इंसल्ट कर लोगे गलत बोल के, क्योंकि आपने बता दिया कि आपका क्या कैरेक्टर है। सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन दैट प्लीज प्रैक्टिस सेल्फ कंट्रोल। आप कोई पोस्ट देखते हो और आपको वो अच्छा नहीं लगा तो उसी समय बरसने की बजाय लेट इट गो। और अगर आपको फीडबैक देना ही है तो वो इस तरह से हो कि सामने वाला महसूस कर सके कि कहाँ पे उन्होंने कुछ गलत किया, रादर देन कि वो आपसे नफरत करनी शुरू कर दे और फिर आपकी वर्बल फाइट्स शुरू हो जाएं। हाँ, so please practice that. It's very important, and that is again one of the thing which is required to be successful. You will find कि जितने लोग successful हैं, जो जिनको आप successful मानते हो, वो इन सब चीजों में नहीं आते हैं। They don't argue, they don't want to belittle or insult someone. वो अपना रास्ता देखते हैं, तो हम भी अपना ही रास्ता देखेंगे।
Yes, yes, exactly. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for enlightening us with lot of things which we actually sometimes we can say some there are many things which we know, but we have that we don't practice them. Right? We don't
Yes.
practice them. We don't know the importance of practicing those things. Like these small things, self-control, self-discipline, our parents have been telling us this since our childhood, but we have not got this importance. We have not understood its importance. That self-discipline is how much important. Actually, it is actually paving a way to our success, to our destination, which we want to achieve. So, yes, yes, you are on mute, ma'am. Okay, okay, okay. I'll unmute you. Okay, okay. Yeah. Are you able to?
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying that absolutely you are right. ये हर किसी के पेरेंट ने सिखाया है।
Hmm.
ये आगे जाके पता चलता है जब एक्चुअल में लाइफ हम अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से फेस करते हैं। सो प्लीज हम अभी इसको समझ लें कि हमें सेल्फ कंट्रोल बहुत जरूरी है, प्रैक्टिस करना, इट्स रिक्वायर्ड।
So basically, some skills to avoid. Actually, we were discussing how to avoid failure. So we can avoid failure by enhancing our skills. सीधे मैदान में नहीं उतरना. We should have at least those basic skills so that we can face any problem or any trouble which we have in that profession or in that thing which we are doing. Apart from that, we need to inculcate self discipline in us, and also self control. And self discipline, we mean the small things which we can do, like just कि अपना आसपास की चीजें साफ करना, उन्हें संभालना. So these are the things which actually come under self discipline. Thank you so much, ma'am, for telling us so many things. If anybody,
Anytime.
yeah, thank you. If any one of you have any question, please ask.
I
Uh,
think Apeksha has asked one question on the Zoom
yes,
platform.
yes, yes.
And Apeksha, it's a very valid question कि लोग बोलेंगे या लोग हंसेंगे. It's a good question. अब इसका आंसर मैं क्या दूं? क्योंकि क्योंकि मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि वो करेंगे ही. They will do it. There is no answer to this. There is just an acceptance. हमें इसका solution नहीं मिलेगा.
Hmm.
हमें इसको accept करना होगा कि अगर हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं, हो सकता है कुछ लोग, और हो सकता है वो कुछ लोग हमारी बहुत close हों, हमारे family members ही हों, तो
Yes.
हो सकता है वो लोग हम पे हंसें. पर
Yes.
अगर हमारा रास्ता सही है, इफ वी हैव चोजन द राइट पाथ फॉर अस, अब ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए ना कि हम कुछ गलत चीज सोच लें और अगर कोई हमें फीडबैक दे रहा है तो हम उसको एक्सेप्ट ना करें ये सोचकर कि ये तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा है. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बी फुली अवेयर दैट इज इट द राइट पाथ, अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर अस, और अगर वो है देन एक्सेप्ट दिस फैक्ट कि
Yes.
लोग हंसेंगे
Yes.
और हंसने दो. देन मतलब इट्स इजी टू से. मैं मानती हूँ कि मैं अगर कह रही हूँ तो मेरे लिए आसान है, पर अगर मेरे ऊपर ही कुछ लोग हंस पड़े जो मैं करती हूँ तो मुझे दुख होगा. आई नो दुख होगा, सबको होता है, आपको भी होगा अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो. बस उसे एक्सेप्ट कर लो और
Hmm.
वापस अपना ध्यान, अपना जो भी आपका काम है आप उस पे लगाएं. एंड आपको धीरे धीरे उनकी हंसी सुनना ही बंद हो जाएगी, आपको
Exactly.
दिखेंगे ही नहीं वो.
Exactly. What I think, ma'am, agar like we are confident enough कि what we are doing is good or is good for us, is good for like or the best I'm doing. So वो सारी चीजें कहीं ना कहीं matter करना बंद कर देंगी. But
ट्रू.
it's very important that we should be confident of what we are doing.
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली,
So we
एब्सोल्युटली.
need like there are many things we are doing like people working, you are also working from home, I am also working from home, and there are many people who are working from home, and we have seen that there are many challenges we have to face,
हम्म.
many challenges, because at home even we are not getting proper place to sit, right? We have to manage time accordingly. So in that case, yes, there are some people, there are other people also who will say like कैसे हो गया ये कैसे हो गया, but if we are confident enough, so it will really help us to avoid that लोग क्या कहेंगे.
हाँ.
फिर then we'll say लोगों का काम है कहना, लोग तो कहते रहेंगे.
ट्रू.
This-
एब्सोल्युटली.
Yes. So be confident and just I would just say कि अपना जो भी है उसको हाई रखिए, जो भी आप जहाँ जाना चाहते हैं. So it will help you a lot.
एब्सोल्युटली. एंड आस्था, टू योर क्वेश्चन आई वुड से कि आपका जो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हो जाता है, ये सबके साथ होता है, ये मेरे साथ भी बहुत होता है. तो और ये जरूरी भी है क्योंकि
Hmm.
वो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट ही हमको बताएगा कि हमने कहाँ पे अपनी कोशिश में थोड़ी कमी करी है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू, अगेन आई विल से, feel that disappointment, and according to that, that disappointment will automatically tell you what you want or what needed to be done, and you will find that you will start doing whatever was missing the last time. I
Yes.
hope your question was answered, Astha.
Yes. Exactly. This again I'll say, ma'am, disappointment is an emotion we have to
Ah,
experience it. Right?
true. Every emotion is important for us because it's guiding us actually. They
It is.
come to us to tell us something. Even the jealousy also, huh?
Yes.
So
Yes.
jealousy is also there to tell us something. We just have to pay attention that why this emotion is coming to me,
Yes.
and just become the observer. Jealousy को इधर रख दो,
Hmm.
face करो उसको कि क्यों हो रही है, and you will get your answer, and then you will get over it as well.
Yes. Yes. Associate for some time and then disassociate.
हाँ,
It,
yes,
yeah.
absolutely.
Exactly. So this is way. Yes. Thank you, Astha, for asking this question. So if anybody of you have another question, then please ask on Instagram, or you can ask on Zoom. Okay, Astha. Oh,
Glad to
oh,
know you, Astha.
oh wow, Astha. She is 11-year-old.
Yeah,
That's
absolutely
great.
wonderful.
That's great.
And
So
that was a great question, Archika, which Astha asked, keeping in mind her age. So
yes,
now, she has proven that children are very focused towards it. And I'm sure, Astha, you have a very long, long, successful way to go. Please keep on doing whatever we have discussed, whatever Archika has mentioned in this program. And I know that you are going to find your way out of everything.
Exactly. Yes, I'm very happy that Asta you have asked this question, because as a student we actually face this. Ma'am, I remember the time जब हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हुआ करते थे, एक नंबर कम आ गया किसी से तो we feel so disappointed, and this actually becomes the like like we can say कि ऐसे ही हम आगे बढ़ते रहते हैं और
Mhm.
वही चीजें लेके चलते रहते हैं, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अवॉइड दीज थिंग्स, और वी कैन से कि उस चीजों से अभी से हम अगर गो थ्रू कर लेंगे तो इट विल हेल्प अस टू डील विद दो सिचुएशंस आफ्टरवर्ड्स.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we don't have any other question, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable time and letting us know about all these like success and failure का ये जो कहते हैं ना लोचा था, वो बहुत ही like बहुत ही confusing था. Thank you so much for enlightening.
Anytime, anytime. And thank you for um, asking me or inviting me on this platform, because it was a pleasure to be with you all. And the kind of questions we have received from the viewers as well, they are amazing. And I hope that I was able to contribute in some way to each one of your lives. And all the best to everyone
Thank
for
you so much,
everything.
ma'am. And ma'am is starting one of her program on NLP. So I would like to know about NLP also, ma'am. Your program on NLP.
NLP is actually the neuro linguistic programming, which neuro is brain, mind, and linguistic is language, and programming we all know. So it's basically about how we can program our or someone else's mind, and it helps us with in getting rid of various thought patterns, in getting rid of anxieties, in getting rid of some past bad experiences, and it not only helps us with the past memories, it also helps us in achieving the future goals, because it has certain powerful techniques where we can actually see step by step
Hmm.
with those techniques that how actually I will be achieving that goal. So it's a very powerful technique. It helps us to guide our own mind. As अभी पूरे सेशन में हम थॉट्स के ऊपर हमारा ज्यादा जोर था, तो एनएलपी वही काम करता है. Apart from our own upbringing or upskilling, it also gives us the tool so that we can help other people in their disturbing times also. So that's very important.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Sakshi, you
Archika.
just raised your hand. Can you please? Hi, Asta.
Hi, Asta.
Yeah. Uh,
Hello, Apeksha. Good to see you both.
yes. Sakshi, do you want to ask anything? You just raise your hand. Okay. I think she just did it by
Hmm.
mistake. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time again.
My pleasure. And all the best to you, Archika, and all the best to you, Apeksha, Asta, and everyone. Keep rocking.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.